Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how to use a piece of string to pick up an ice cube. You need a piece of string about 6 inches long, some ice cubes, a glass of water, some salt, and a timer to track your time. First, we're going to put 1 or 2 ice cubes into the water. Just about 2. Then we're going to use our string and try to catch one. It didn't work, but now it's magic time. First, we wet our string. There. Next, we use one end of the string and put it on top of 1 ice cube. Like that. Kind of like a fishing pole. Next, we're going to pick up some salt and then we're going to dump it on top. Wow, some salt. Next, we're going to wait for 1 minute. I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to read some jokes while I'm waiting. Waiting is sometimes a little bit boring. What do lawyers wear when they go to court? Lawsuits. Now, it's time for us to pick up our ice cube. Wow, it works! See? We're done with our science experiment. Isn't it cool? Maybe you can do this as a magic show for your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye!